Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at some exhaust for the Norden 901. We're going to be doing some sound checks, stock, versus the Tecmo that I've got here on the bike, as well as some weight. So if you're interested in removing some weight from your bike or just making it sound better, stick around. Alright, so here's the Tecmo weight. 2,895 grams. This is without that carbon fiber cap on. That really doesn't weigh anything. Obviously, there may be some error just in the way I've got this lined up. But try and do the stock exhaust the same. 28.95. Alright, stock exhaust. Quite a bit bigger actually, but here we've got 35.30. So, considerable difference there. What is that? About 2 pounds or something? Anyway, I'll calculate that out in pounds, but just so you have an idea of the weight penalty of the stock exhaust. Alright, we'll test the stock one first. Let's go with 40 decibel ambient right now. Not for long. Revving up to 3,000. That's revving up to 5,000. All right, so we're gonna do Tekmo exhaust, no baffles. Ambient is 41. Revving up to 3,000 RPM. Revving up to 5,000 RPM. Alright, baffles are back installed. Let's test the sound. Again, this is the Tecmo. Ambient noise around 43, 44 decibels. Revving between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs there. That's up to 5,000 RPM. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. It definitely took me a while to make, switching out exhaust. So if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe for future videos. I'm going to be doing a lot to this Norden over the coming weeks. One thing I would say, volume-wise, these exhausts are pretty comparable. You can see it on the decibel levels. But what I would say that the Tecmo has a throatier, deeper tone to it. It sounds way better in person than probably the audio is going to capture it. And definitely when you're at speed and revving, it sounds a little bit better when the engine's under, let's say, some stress. So highly recommended. I like the exhaust. I've had different aftermarkets on other bikes. I really like the tone of this exhaust and the fact that it's not overly in your face. So yeah, look for new videos coming up. Thanks again, guys.